they began as unlikely allies in a fight for liberty. From the battlefields of Yorktown to global partnerships today, the United States and France have moved from revolution to enduring alliance. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. America's relationship with France began in revolution, when the colonies needed powerful friends to survive. France provided money, weapons, troops, and a navy, turning the tide at Yorktown and helping secure American independence. Figures like Marquis de Lafayette symbolized shared ideals, liberty, republicanism, and resistance to monarchy. After independence, relations cooled. The French Revolution, debt disputes, and American neutrality strained the once close alliance. Through the 1800s, trade and diplomacy slowly rebuilt trust, setting the stage for renewed cooperation in a changing world. In World War I and World War II, Americans fought on French soil, liberating France and strengthening the bond in shared sacrifice. Today, the US and France stand together through NATO, diplomacy, intelligence sharing, and global security efforts. From revolution to the modern world, America and France remain bound by an idea that liberty is worth defending together.